4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
So I wanted to show you guys what a bad wheel bearing on a motorcycle looks like, because it's rare that I come across one, but it seems more prevalent in the scooter area, but it's the same for motorcycles. If your wheel bearing is bad, this is what you're going to experience. This is moving back and forth. Let me see if I can set something here to show you guys a little better without moving myself, so that you can see the play in the wheel when I move it back and forth. You ready? There's a lot of play in that wheel. That's moving literally back and forth. It also is going to give off a weird sound. Hear it? That is definitely a bad bearing. So it's time to replace both of the bearings on the rear of this scooter, but it sounds the same for motorcycles. And what you're not hearing right now is a crunchy noise, but as soon as if I was to apply weight to this, like take it off the center stand and set it down and push it around, you would hear click, 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 click. That is signs of very worn out bearings. So unfortunately, this definitely, they're not horrible yet, but they're starting to get there. So it is definitely time to address this, because there's a couple millimeters of play in this tire right now, and it's letting me know that it's time to do the wheel bearing. So that's what we're going to do. But if you guys wanted to see what bad wheel bearings look like on motorcycles and scooters, that would be what they look like. There's a lot of play. I mean, this isn't a significant amount of play, but there's enough. There's enough play in this that it's time to replace it. It's making noises. I can physically hear the bearing. That noise, that's wheel bearings all day. So there you go. Hope that helps.